it's cooking time again for our dinner. So first I saute these onions, and then I will put now also this garlics and ginger. And this is until tomorrow for our suhoor or siri, because we have to wake up early in the morning at dawn time. Around 4 o'clock maybe I wake up, so I prepare our breakfast. Mostly we have to cook, I have to cook only paratha or chapati with tea. So this one I cook cow's liver curry. Then we have to eat also this one morning. And for lunch, we will not eat because we are fasting on the langga. So maybe there is extra this one, then we can eat also first day of Ramadan tomorrow for our what you call this aftari. After our aftari, then we can eat our dinner. So we'll cook now. Onions, garlics, and ginger is already brown. Now we can put now this chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. And then to be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Then we have to wait this one tomatoes become paste. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this liver, cow's liver with heart also. Now we can put now. This is 1 kilo. But I'm not sure. I don't know how much 1 kilo of this cow's liver. I did not ask my husband. Now let's check again. This is good for chapati. But for me is rice. Because rice is life. If I eat chapati, I can eat only 1 or 1.5 or 2. 2 chapatis. This is not long time to cook because this is liver. Cow's liver. Now we have to cover again. Now let's check again. This video or content I have to make premiere on 22 because I set already premiere tomorrow 19, then 20 I have premiere also, then 21 and 22. So this is 22 premiere, and my time premiere Pakistan time standard time is 10 a.m. in the morning, and time in Pakistan is 1 p.m. So I have premiere every day 10 a.m. Pakistan time. Already cook our viand for dinner. This is cow's liver curry. Let's eat dinner, everyone. Ito, bagong saing na kanin. Ayan. And then, ito na yung cow's liver curry. And then, ito na yung para sa kanila. Sila kay kumain na chapati at saka silangga kumain na din. Ito para kay Fahad at saka kay Fatma with water. Ayan. Ayan. Bukas ay Ramadan na. Start ng Ramadan. Kaya maaga ako magising bukas for preparing for suhoor. Mga 4 o'clock. So, kain tayo ng dinner.